Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at something that we've got that we've had in our platform for a little bit of time, and been testing it and back and forth with a bunch of people, and really confident now that it's working well, and would like to release it to everyone that's connected to us. So what it is the e-commerce component. When you add that into the system, you'll see it here in your feature section, and when you click that, it opens up the e-commerce dashboard. And what this is a fully functioning e-commerce environment. It's a website. It's a native app. The front end of the system works on the web as well as in the app. I'll take a look at the front end of the site here. So when you click on this, you get it's a fully functioning website. Now this is built on the OpenCart platform, and what you can see is when you it's open source, so there's a lot of plugins and a lot of themes and a lot of components that you can get to use with this, and we've added a lot of stuff here. You know, our background is retail, so we've really got a good understanding of what merchants are looking for as far as their e-commerce environment and their what tools they're going to use to run their business. So we've added a lot of stuff here, and I'll go through that quickly in a minute. But this is the front end. You can see all this stuff is obviously customizable. We can look at the entire men's catalog here, and this is what it looks like. Like this, you can click on an item. You can have different sizes, different colors, and pick on something that we've got here. This is a new item, so stock in this yet. So let's go to just sort this by 75 items. And I'll pick something that we should have some stock in here. So let's check, here we go, hoodie here. And you can see the different color options here. This is different images you can have. Click the other images and you can see the available images here as well. You've got different colors, like I said, different sizes. We integrated Afterpay, which is like a credit system where it's a third-party plugin that allows you to make, instead of paying $295 for the item at one time, you can make 4 interest-free payments at $73.75. The merchant gets their money up front, and the customer is able to pay 4 payments instead of one big payment. So that's a cool feature. So it's a fully functioning e-commerce component. The other thing that we've added is a POS system. Now merchants, of a certain size have an issue keeping their e-commerce component up to date. So when something comes in, it doesn't have to necessarily be, for example, that we're looking at right now, the clothing store environment, but a smaller, someone that has use for e-commerce. The main things that we hear back is it's very difficult to keep stock up to date because when you get it in, you have to enter it into your POS system, and then you got to add another system for your e-commerce. And if they're even using an app, there may be a third system involved in maintaining the inventory in an app. So with our platform, we now give you everything in one place. We've got the e-commerce, which you're looking at right now. We've got the mobile app, which is a native component that's connected to the e-commerce. So if you make a change here in the e-commerce, you update your inventory here, it will reflect in the app as well as on the website, the front end website. That's one component. And we've also now introduced a POS system. So this is a fully functioning POS system. It handles everything for a single store environment, and it is connected to the back office of the e-commerce component. So now when you enter an item in your POS system, it will update your app, it will update your e-commerce, all in one system, right? So let's say you have, I'm going to use a clothing store example again. You have a shirt, you got 5 pieces, you add a 6th, it'll automatically update everywhere. It keeps track, it will eliminate a lot of work for a lot of people. It keeps track of everything in one spot, right? You don't have to maintain 3 different inventory systems. You don't have to maintain 3 different, marketing systems. Everything is in one spot. So this is a really, excellent way to kind of upsell your clients. It's working fantastic right now. Like I said, we looked at a live example of this clothing boutique. And it's connected to their POS system as well. And just some of the quick things that we can look at that are offered when you use this platform with our updates. We've got supplier management, where we created a purchase order system. This is custom done again. Purchase orders where you can actually create a purchase order. You can look at one quickly, so you can make purchase orders and you can receive them right into your inventory. You've got, these are different things connected to the purchase order, payment terms, supply codes, all that kind of stuff. The catalog is pretty straightforward. It comes with all open cart systems. What else we got? We've added an affiliate program where you can actually design and build an affiliate program that you can incentivize your customers to spread your brand across their networks and give them a kickback on any sales that come in through their affiliate links. We've added a gift card system as well in this, where you've got different templates. You can create different gift cards to be used online, in-app, in-store as well. We've got an abandoned carts plugin that you got, so you are able to create emails to go out to people that put stuff in their carts and they leave. A social autopilot system where you basically, when you let me show you how that works. So I'll go to the catalog, go to products, and just when you update any item here, I'm going to save this. You have the ability to post this to your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I'm not sure what Instagram, Facebook or Twitter for now. Right from here. So you add a new product into your inventory, you can post it to your social media right from here as well. So those are the few things that we've added that you don't get out of the box when you go to OpenCart directly. Again, this stuff is all housed and stored at our servers, and a really great offering. So, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.